From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. Joining us now is Kelly Hall with the UT Health East Texas Home Health. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
I'm doing great. So, talk about this new event that y'all are going to have for seniors.
Sure. So we have an event that is coming up, which you see here, which will be on the screen, I know, later. The event is February 27th, and it starts at 8:30, but the gates open at 7:30. In the morning. So we have several booths with different people from the UT Health system, different walks of life, different from clinical to just financial planning, things like that. We have a lot of great guest speakers that are going to be joining us as well. We just want to raise awareness in the community. We have a huge healthcare system, and so a lot of people don't understand things that go on in healthcare. So one of the things that we want to do is we want to promote all levels of healthcare.
Yes, ma'am. And so, can you tell us a little bit about the speakers and what they're going to be presenting at this event?
Sure. So as most of us in healthcare know, February is Heart Month. So one of the guest speakers who I'm super excited about is Dr. Scott Wright. He has been a cardiologist in Tyler, Texas for a very long time, and he is very passionate about his patients, very passionate about heart health, very passionate about patients getting what they need from the hospital setting to skilled nursing to the home setting. So we're excited to have him for sure. We also are going to have a pelvic floor specialist, which is something that I'm actually interested in hearing more about, because in the aging population, a lot of seniors struggle with incontinence, constipation, and certain things. So she is going to be giving a lot of education on how to treat it and ways that we can do to cope with those things. So I'm super excited about having her on board. As well, we are going to have the Feliciano group there, estate planning, financial planning, things of that nature. It's things that we just really don't think about. When we get older, of course, we start having things go wrong. We have hospital stays, we frequent our doctor, but a lot of times we really don't think about what it's gonna look like later on. Are we gonna have the finances to be able to, maybe we can't stay at home. Do we have the finances to stay in an assisted living? What are some of the things that we can do before we get to that point to where our families are scrambling? So I'm really excited to hear all the things that they have to tell the community who's involved coming tonight to the event.
And what does it mean to you to be putting on an event like this to educate the public like that? Because you were telling me that a lot of people don't know about, what it's going to look like. So just what does it mean to you to be able to give back to the senior community?
None of us do enough research. As the healthcare world is changing, it changes every single day. Between insurance, between what the hospital regulations have to do. To me, it's important that the patients and the seniors, not even seniors, people in their 30s and 40s, we need to understand where we're going. We need to have a plan. And to me, we don't plan enough. And so for me, this is going to be great. We plan on putting these on once a quarter, bringing different people in, because it's important to plan. It's important to understand disease processes. We're a huge healthcare hub. We've got great physicians on both sides of the fence, of the spectrum. And so really, it means a lot to me. Being in healthcare for as long as I've been in. I have a sister that's a nurse. My daughter's wanting to go be a doctor. And so to me, healthcare means everything, and the awareness and just being involved. So I'm super excited about this.
And if somebody wants information, how can they register for this event?
Sure. So if you go on UT Health East Texas, their Facebook page, you can register there. You can also register on the Tyler Area Chamber of Commerce's Facebook page. On the screen, you will see a QR code. You can use that, or you can just simply call our office, 855-485-8273, and you can sign up for it. We expect a big turnout, and we hope that everybody can make it.
All right, Kelly, thank you so much for joining me today. For more information on this event, you can call the number right here on your screen.